Are you worried about falling behind in tech? In today's fast-paced digital world, keeping up with the latest technology can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, there's a solution that can make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Dive into Python and transform your coding journey. Python is not just another programming language, it's a gateway to a world of opportunities. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced developer, Python has something to offer you. Python is a high-level, versatile programming language known for its simplicity and readability. Its clean and straightforward syntax allows you to focus on solving problems rather than getting bogged down by complex code structures. Created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991, it's now one of the most popular languages in the world. Over the years, Python has grown exponentially thanks to its robust community and continuous development. But why is Python so important? First, it's incredibly user-friendly. Its design philosophy emphasizes code readability and simplicity, making it accessible to everyone. Python's syntax is as close to English as code can get, making it perfect for beginners. You can write and understand Python code with minimal effort, which is why it's often recommended as the first language for new programmers. Plus, it's an interpreted language, meaning it executes code line by line, making debugging a breeze. This feature allows you to test and troubleshoot your code quickly, saving you time and frustration. Python is also super versatile. Its applications span across various domains, making it a valuable tool for different types of projects. From web development with Django and Flask, where you can build robust and scalable web applications, to data science with Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib, it's got you covered. These libraries provide powerful tools for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. And let's not forget AI and machine learning. Python is the go-to language for these cutting-edge technologies. Tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn make Python a powerhouse in these fields. These frameworks simplify the process of building and deploying machine learning models, making advanced technology accessible to everyone. Need to automate tasks? Python scripts have got your back, saving you time and reducing errors. Automation is a key aspect of modern programming, and Python excels at it. You can automate repetitive tasks, streamline workflows, and increase productivity with ease. Another big plus? Python has a massive community. This means you're never alone in your coding journey. That means tons of tutorials, extensive documentation, and a wealth of libraries. The community-driven nature of Python ensures that you have access to a vast pool of resources and support. Its open-source nature encourages collaboration and resource sharing. You can contribute to projects, learn from others, and even create your own libraries to share with the world. And it's cross-platform. Whether you're on Windows, macOS, or Linux, Python works seamlessly. This cross-platform compatibility ensures that your Python code can run on any system without modification. It even integrates easily with languages like C, C++, and Java. This interoperability allows you to leverage the strengths of different languages within a single project. So, why learn Python in 2024? The tech landscape is constantly evolving, and Python's relevance continues to grow. Its simplicity, versatility, and robust libraries make it a must-have tool for any programmer. Python's ability to adapt to new trends and technologies ensures that it remains a valuable skill in the years to come. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, Python opens doors to endless possibilities. The language's flexibility allows you to explore various fields and find your niche. Start learning Python today and stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of tech. Embrace the power of Python and unlock your potential in the digital age.